Setting sales plans, budgets, and goals is key to meeting company sales objectives. This can also help increase utilization in TdF and adds additional functionality the BSI data provides. Sales reps have the ability to enter and own their goals, and it also provides a visual drive for them, as well as their managers, to efficiently analyze their sales to goal and run rates throughout the year. There are 4 types of goals you can enter into Tour de Force: sales goals, profit goals, bookings goals, and units goals. These goals can be entered as a total annual amount and also at the individual period level. You can input these goals at the followed level: account route, account package, account, and salesperson, which also includes product manager roles. Then, within each of those main levels, you can plan at the sub-level, either product group, vendor, or Alt 1, 2, or 3. There are 2 methods of entering goals: in Tour de Force Desktop and in Tour de Force Web. In Tour de Force Desktop, the planning administration can be accessed under the Other tab, Admin Utilities, Advanced Feature Setup, Planning Setup and Administration, Planning Administration. From here, there are 3 methods to import data. The first one is the Launch Grid Entry form. Planning entry allows you to manually enter your goals at the desired level. The second is you can import from a spreadsheet. This allows you to easily import your goals from an existing spreadsheet. Then third is the Rollup utility under Create Goals Rollups option. This utility can be used to set initial goals based on an increase over actual or last year's sales goals. The other method of goal entry is in Tour de Force Web. Let's open up Tour de Force Web. Then, to access the planning entry form, go to the Utilities menu and select Planning. Please keep in mind that Tour de Force Web is currently limited to account-level planning, as well as the product group, vendor, and Alt 1, 2, and 3 sublevels for the account. Once you have entered and committed your goals into TdF, you now have visibility in several areas to your overall goals, as well as your current percent to goals, so that you can track your progress throughout the year. In Tour de Force Desktop, you can see percent to goal based on annual, period, quarter, or actual month to date. The data is visible in the BI summary within the Sales and Group Summary tabs. It is also available on any of your accounts. So I'm going to open up an account, go to my Sales Data tab. Again, on the Sales and Group Summary tabs within that account, you can see your percent to goal based on annual, period, quarter, or actual month to date. And then within the BI summary, on the Sales and Group Summary tabs. This information is also available to be displayed in alerts and notifications, as well as for use within the BYOR.